This video, I'm going to be going over weird ways to make money online. I'm going to go over 5 weird ways you can make money online. I'm going to be showing you a few cool websites on my computer of where you can go to get that money. Let's get it. So here are a few weird ways that you can make money online. Internet's a big space, and just as many ways to make money on the real world there are online, but here's some funny ones. So here at Singularity Hub, you can actually start a virtual business. You can start a business selling virtual real estate and making virtual money that has real world value. This story right here is about an entrepreneur, Anshe Chung, who works in a game called Second Life, and he has a company of 150 employees where they create virtual real estate, virtual mansions and virtual islands and virtual dreamlands for people, and people will pay real money to have these virtual worlds created for them. Really weird. You can even set up a real business, a shop in Second Life, and have people pay you real money for digital things. Really weird. Here's another really interesting business, which is matchmaking. You can be an online matchmaker, and this is with Talkify. You can apply to connect, men and women, or women and men, or men and men, or women, or non-binaries with non-binaries. I think it's stupid. But if you're into the whole nine, I don't know what they do. But generally speaking, you can connect people with people. How about that? As a matchmaker, and make money online doing it. Kind of fun, right? I don't know. Here's another weird job you can do is you can sell old gift cards. So right here on Raise.com, it says sell gift cards. So you can actually take gift cards that you've gotten. I don't know how many times you've gotten gift cards. I got so many for Christmas. I mean, I'm old now, so I'm 31, so I'm not super old, but people don't like to buy me, and they're like, it's this weird in between states. I get a lot of gift cards, and I don't want them. I'd rather just have real money. It's not like I'm going to go to the Gap, but you can you can sell your gift cards. You can actually make a business out of selling other people's gift cards, because most people just, I have all these gift cards sitting around. I just don't want to go through the time to actually selling them. So that's an interesting way to make money. Go door to door and get people's gift cards and sell them. I don't know. Here's another interesting way to make money. You can make money losing weight. Huh? Yeah, you can go to dietbet.com. Look at this. People can bet. You can make it a game. They'll bet if you lose weight or not. So you see, look at this pot. The pot is $1,130,000 that people bet that these people aren't going to lose weight. So there's a lot of people in here. Crazy. So you can play these different games and you can win money. Here's an individual person. Her name's Sid. People are betting $13,000. I don't know if it is that she is going to lose weight or that she's not. I don't know. But basically you can make these bets and make money or lose money to lose weight. Or you can have a bet about yourself. Here's another weird way to make money online. You can buy and sell hair. Look, some of these people are, I guess virgin hair goes for more than if you're not a virgin. Look at all the people advertising here. Their hair's virgin. I don't know. Can you see this? It's like virgin Remy hair. If you're a virgin and you have long hair, you can make some good money selling it. $180. So who knows? Go for it. Interesting way to make money. And here's the last way that's pretty weird to make money online is you can join an internet jury. You can actually be a part of mock juries and focus groups on ejury.com and help lawyers and attorneys figure out what questions they should be asking or what they should do in a case. So be a part of some jury. Kind of crazy. Now, there's plenty more ways to make money online. I know I've done a ton of ways to make money online. I'm in a part of online marketing called affiliate marketing. So I sell other people's products and I make a commission when I sell them. And I've sold things such as ebooks on how to protect yourself from extraterrestrials. Not even joking. I've sold survival guides, teaching people how to survive financial and societal collapse. I've also sold products teaching people how they can create a self-sustaining ecosystem in their backyard, so how they can farm fish and then use the fish droppings to fertilize the soil above the fish droppings to grow plants. So it's a self-sustaining ecosystem. All you need is sun. I've sold a lot of weird things online. If you want to learn more about what I do, there's a link in the description that goes to a free training. You can learn more about affiliate marketing. But if you like this video, I suggest subscribe to my channel if you want to see more weird stuff, and comment below if you're considering doing any one of these weird ways of making money online. Comment with which one you are thinking about doing, because these are pretty weird, or just which one you found the most interesting. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, be sure to follow me there.